Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Exploring Operating Systems. Basically in this series we just take a look at graphical user interfaces or graphical user experiences, UX of different desktop operating systems, basically stuff like Linux, Windows itself, going into some mock-ups, even Mac OS, some mock-ups made using like programs that are built onto say Windows, such as Visual Studio, and in this case PowerPoint, because basically PowerPoint is, I'm just going to set this thing up, PowerPoint is of course our presentation software, but because of the advanced features that are contained in PowerPoint, such as macros, being able to put Visual Studio elements into a PowerPoint makes these very interesting dynamic projects. And what we've got today is a project called Midtown Unity, and it's actually a part of a series what we're going to be doing, and this is literally the quote-unquote setup process of that. It basically mocks up the out-of-box experience. I'm going to choose a desktop. The out-of-box experience seen in Windows 10/Windows XP and all that kind of lovely stuff. So restore your app data, find your again. It's very familiar, and some of these they're basically pieces of art. I've said this on the original series. This series actually takes on from an older YouTube channel, of which Channel13 is actually going to continue. But this is Midtown. You can see that logo that just came up there, and hopefully something will come up. There we go. Yeah, this is supposed to mock or imitate. What's going on with that icon there? But wow, that's actually quite smart. This is supposed to imitate the setup process of basically how operating systems look, kind of thing. So let me get a grip of this just now. So this is Midtown Unity. Basically, it's a PowerPoint quote-unquote operating system or operating system experience. I'm just going to call it a user experience, which takes PowerPoint and basically uses everything that's power to make some very gorgeous user interfaces. Now, if you've watched the original series, you might know that I'm not a big fan of these anymore because of the limitations and some other things. You watch the whole series to figure it, but this is basically the home screen. Everything, it's basically modded to look based after Windows 8, which some PowerPoint operating systems did take on after, basing it on Windows 8, because Windows 8 and that kind of thing, and you know, the evolution kind of thing of Macintosh, of Mac OS and everything else, was quite interesting. Some people adapted that, so we're just going to take a look at some of these built-in applications because they don't actually use normal applications, and we'll take a look at how this works. This is actually genuinely Microsoft PowerPoint working, and these actually applications do actually work. Let's take a look at social first of all. Hopefully I'm not logged into Facebook, and you can actually see navigation to the web page was cancelled. Refresh the page. No. Now sometimes these URLs do work, and there's some odd dynamic with this where it's trying to mock in some way a Windows 8 and /Windows 10 in the way that if you go into an app, you can see these two red buttons. Oh, what are you doing here? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's not actually. This is actually YouTube working on a PowerPoint presentation. I'm not even joking. But these two, they've not even got crosses, but these are supposed to be exit buttons. The one on this side, no advertisements please. I am not sponsored at all. But this side here takes you to a quote-unquote tablet experience. And this is basically a tablet experience, so it's basically how Windows 8 looks like. And if I go back into the YouTube app and click on this cross, it takes you to this more desktop-like experience where the icons are much smaller and they're sorted into little boxes kind of thing, like little folders. And it's quite a clever little design. I actually do wish this was actually a real thing. to some extent. Have I been on Twitter? Yes, it does actually work, and I'm genuinely being serious. This is a PowerPoint presentation. For those new to the series, this is a PowerPoint presentation that basically imitates how operating systems work, and I don't think Instagram works on Internet Explorer anymore. Google Plus. Are you going to work? Yes, it does, and I'm not going to log in because you're not seeing my passwords. YouTube, PowerPoint OS Network. Feel free to visit that. Just learn a little bit more about PowerPoint operating system stuff. Pandora. It doesn't actually work in the United Kingdom. That's actually where I'm from. But we'll try it anyway, just to humour everyone. Nope, doesn't work. Tune in. What is that? Does that even exist? Tune in. Doesn't. Nope, not coming up. Entertainment. The store. Camera. Games Hub. I am so scared for this right now, but I'm going to click on the camera. Photor. Fair enough. Must be some kind of online kind of thing that you see on a Chromebook. What to go on next? Games Hub. Welcome, Ricky. And send your games on tutorials, fun and more at outlook.com. So I'm going to sneeze. And these are some macros running in the background. You can see this. This is basically, I think this is supposed to be a still image of a girl from, this is weird, but a girl who got herself hurt from one of those exercise stretchy string things that you used to exercise with. And it got caught between her legs. And she basically makes a bit of a very dense word. She says a very dense word after that. It's actually quite humorous, I've got to say. The store. Wacky Maze. I think I've already got quote unquote installed Wacky Maze. And this will quote unquote install the applications, even though they're already built in. If I'm boring you with saying quote unquote many times, I do apologise. App already installed. Go back. Okay. Close that, please. Games Hub. Wacky Maze. We can just play this. This is basically a game kind of thing. Midtown Games. Hello. Wacky Maze. Start game. Choose a level. Number 1. What am I supposed to do? Oh, okay. Oh, sugar. Quite an interesting game. So basically you have to try and make sure that the cursor doesn't touch any of these items. Whoa. Basically like the Scary Maze game, but you've not got any jump scares, I don't think. But it's quite I got it. I got it. Boom, chicka boom boom. I'm going to try and cheat my way out of this, because how do you back to main menu so I don't have to continue playing? But that is basically a Wacky Maze. So some cloud apps, OneDrive, SkyDrive. It doesn't seem to want to make up its mind what it is. It's either OneDrive or SkyDrive. So it's either a case of this app's not been updated, it's just been mounted onto this kind of thing through a copy paste, because it is a PowerPoint presentation after all. Mediafire. I've not actually got any of these. I've got OneDrive. I've not got Dropbox or Box. But as you can see, these do work. It just sends you to the website because these are mostly web applications. Outlook. Please tell I'm not logged in. I don't think I am logged in. It didn't show up on Out. Oh no 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 no! You're not seeing my outbox. You're not seeing my outbox. Close, 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 close. Please close. Oh god, that gave me a heart attack. Gmail. Gmail. You don't need to see any of that. Yahoo Mail. Please don't log in. No, I'm not logged in. Sorry, it's fine. Here are some web browsers or online. Hi Web, which is the icon's a little bit weird there, probably because of the way the text boxes are aligned. It's all about the web. Basically, a simple application as it is. It's very. I think it predates Microsoft Edge, but looks very similar to it. So if I just put in google.com, and I think it's enter you press, there's no... Oh, it does actually send you. So you've got back, forward, you've got the cross button, you've got the let's recycle button. And I know what that is, don't call me an idiot. Or, call me an idiot if you like. So you've got some favourites here. I think that's a settings bar. So set your favourites. I'm going to set my first one as just to humour everyone. Ta-da! Based on feedback from the previous episode of the last season of this series. What am I going to choose for this one? That's already set as an app, I think. I'm just going to set it as a random gimmick. What another thing should I? Microsoft.com. No. I'm going to try this. And website block 1. Internet blocking. Oh, it's scary. So if I click on this star, it should send me straight to Bing. Click on this star, it sends me, I think, to YouTube. I think it does. And click on this star, it will send me to Microsoft.com. Or MSN even. Why is there no cross here? Why is there no cross here? Are you serious? Are you serious, pal? Where's that cross? Oh, basically that's probably how the hyperlink set. It's probably set to go back to the previous screen, because it only is one slide. Hi web, how are you doing? Yeah, so this is hi web. Basic, very minimal. Apparently this was actually made from someone else. Apparently the developer of Midtown basically created this so you could actually submit your own projects to it and have it showcase in it as if it was pre-installed, like similar to how you get like stuff pre-installed on Windows when you get a new laptop kind of thing. Very dandy that is. Now, just out of humour, I'm going to close and enter the tablet experience if I can. Here is the tablet experience. So you've got hi web, you've got all that kind of lovely stuff. And I've already been in Quest. I think we've already been in Quest. No, we haven't. That is Quest web browser, and it's not actually as professional looking, I don't think. Either that or this is the tablet experience, and yeah, it's sending me back to the desktop experience. It's all about the web, right? I've only just noticed the thing at the top actually corrects itself to saying what URL you're on. That's actually quite smart. I'll go back onto youtube.com and see if that works. So I think I've got a bit of a cold going on, so my voice is a little bit muted. So Quest web browser. I've got to say, I thought Midtown made the last one, but apparently not. This is Quest web browser by Midtown, and it's not probably designed to be more tablet friendly for the tablet experience that's on it. It's like Windows 8. It's a cross between the two, but I don't know if it actually works quite well. But it's got the same basic. Whoa, what is that? Midtown Technologies at wix.com, Midtown, PowerPoint OS webs.com, I thought it says Pandora, Panorama OS webs.com, so just search them up if you like. Utilities, what have I not chosen yet? Can I write a note? Open the memo app to... Oh, memo app, right, so I think notes at the lock screen. I'm just going to take this. This is a note. Please subscribe. Notes at the lock screen, notes at the desktop. This is exploring operating systems. Sugar. Systems. Oh, there's only so much text you can actually write. Aontri Channel13. Ta-dum! Hi, OS Chronicles. My old channel. Chronicles. Oh, there we go. I want to change that note now. I'm just going to say, hi everyone. Hi Midtown, Midtown. I'm having too much fun with this right now. Please leave me alone. Hi everyone. Hi Midtown. Now, what happens if I go to the tablet experience? What does that do? It doesn't do nothing. So send me back, sir. And you can probably see that the icons are actually different between the two different experiences. Can I say that more than enough? Pages. This is basically just like a document writer. So I'm just gonna. This is a text document. Body header. Font. Nice. Body. Font size. Very much like an actual Word document. Add time and date. Text from another document. Docs available. There's nothing really there. It'll rock. So what happens if I... Just gonna go a bit nuts here. Text from another document and document 2. There we go. Very, very... Some people will say what a waste of time this is because of all the effort people are putting into this, but I actually say it's quite nice. It's quite charming that way. So contact 1, contact 2, basically just little note kind of things. I think these are quite charming. It's very artsy. The people that make these are really. I've said this before, but they really do show their work. They really do show that they really need to be. A new version of Midtown is available. Click here to download. I'm clicking. Nothing's happening. I don't know how that works again. I can't remember how that works. Power shut down. Blah 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 blah. I don't know what else to do. But yeah, that's basically that. Utilities. So we can change the lock screen or change the home screen. I'll choose this. White background. No. Let's go home then. What is that? That doesn't do nothing. What? Your account. Change username. I'll change it to Mickey. General. Backup. System updates. About. Personalization. Personalization Mac. Not Macintosh, just Mac. Custom background. No, that will go into my files. I don't want to show anything. Simple UI. White background, simple UI. What? I'll go for that one. Now, what happens? Nice. That's quite nice that in that way. So what happens if I go to the tablet experience? No, that doesn't do nothing. That just dang nabbit. Changing background. Wow. Changing. I think that says changing a background in tablet mode doesn't work. Fair enough. But yeah, that is basically that. And basically, the same as how I did with Presentation OS on Series 1, I will probably make a little mini saga of Midtown on this series as well. So if you want to see a whole plethora of how this thing has evolved, feel free to continue watching, and I will see you hopefully next time if you're still interested. I hope, please. But yeah, with that being said, I am Ricky. This is Exploring Operating Systems via Channel 13. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see any more episodes like this. And if you like this episode, please like. If you don't like it, please dislike and let me know why you like or dislike it. And give me any recommendations for another episode. With that being said, I am Ricky and I will sign out right now. And I will see you later. Bye.